Hi guys, this is Annette, your health and beauty advocate. Let me tell you about the beauty recipe. It is our deepest pride to offer quality, effective, and budget-friendly premium organic skincare to Filipinos. The beauty recipe products are specially formulated with organic ingredients. We are against harmful chemicals like sulfates, phthalates, parabens, tretinoins, etc. Yet, we make sure that our products are as effective as its chemical-based counterparts. So, if you love your skin, you must love the beauty recipe. Thank you.
Now let's talk about our products. Apple cider vinegar cleanser. It helps treat acne, lightens dark spots, brightens the skin. Let's have milk plus shea butter cleanser. It moisturizes dull and dry skin, makes skin supple and bright, and it removes dirt and oil. Let's have carrot plus papaya cleanser. It whitens the skin, deeply cleanses, removes dead skin cells through microexfoliation. We have kiwi whitening facial foam. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup. It brightens skins, and it works best for oily skin types. We have charcoal clay mask with vitamin C. It helps treat acne and controls oil, deeply cleanses skin, brightens and improves the skin's texture. We have green tea collagen serum. It makes wrinkles less visible, whitens skin, and perfect for oily skin types. Now let's have Apple Pore Minimizer Toner. It removes deep-seated dirt, minimizes pores, lightens imperfections like melasma, pecas, and pimple marks. We have Tomato DD Day Cream SPF 30. It has sun protection with a pinkish finish. It brightens skin and hides blemishes, lightweight, and a perfect foundation alternative. Yogurt Whitening Night Cream. It whitens skin while you sleep, moisturizes dry skin, and lightens dark spots. We have Pineapple Milkshake Body Lotion. It contains shimmers for an instantly glowing skin. It improves the skin's overall texture, and it has SPF 30 for sun protection. Now let's have Lemon Whitening Deodorant. It will give you 24/7 protection from sweat and body odor, and it effectively whitens the underarms, smoothens the underarms through regular use. We have Honeycomb Brightening BB Cushion with SPF 15. It has brightening effect. It covers imperfections, lightweight, and blends to any skin tone.